If you want to launch a business, run high converting sales funnel, or promote B2B SaaS product this year, your landing page is your most important asset. But honestly, nobody has time to write code from scratch anymore. Also, you can't afford to have a slow website, especially if you are running ads. That's one of the fastest ways to lose money as an online business owner. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Wednesday David. In this video, I'll be breaking down the top 3 best page builders for businesses in 2026. Yeah, I know there are many other page builders out there, but these 3 are top notch. Whether you're building an affiliate marketing funnel, a personal brand, or a client site, among many things that you need, there are 3 things that are non-negotiable. You need website speed, you need SEO performance, and you need design control. Don't worry, I'm going to explain this later on in this video. I'm going to show you the top contenders and review why Nicepage takes my absolute #1 spot for serious creators. So let's get into it. Coming in at number 3 is Wix. I'm sure you've heard of it before. Over the last few years, Wix have evolved massively. It is incredibly beginner friendly, and their new AI builder actually structure your site based on industry standards in minutes. It gives you the flexibility to drag and drop any element wherever you want. But here's the downside. Wix sites can sometimes feel a bit heavy, and more importantly, you are locked into their hosting ecosystem. If you ever want to move your site to anywhere else, you can't because you are locked in. But for a simple all-in-one beginner solution, it earned the number 3 spot on my list. At number 2, we have Elementor. If you are building on WordPress, then this is a powerhouse that you already know about. In 2026, Elementor rolled out their massive V4 editor, introducing atomic capabilities, reusable components, and a much cleaner CSS structure. It is a brilliant tool with massive plugin ecosystem, making it great for complex blogs or e-commerce. So what's the catch? To get the most out of Elementor, you have to manage WordPress hosting, updates and plugins, which can sometimes lead to site bloat and slower loading speed if you aren't careful. Now, taking the #1 spot for the best page builder in 2026 is Nicepage. If you want the ultimate combination of design precision, speed and platform flexibility, then go for Nicepage. Nicepage is in the league of its own. Now, one of the things I want to highlight about Nicepage is that it takes the best part of other page builders and package all of them into one tool, which is really incredible. You should try it out, seriously. Now, here is why it's my top recommendation. First is the total freedom. Nicepage is a dedicated desktop app, although they also have a cloud editor too, but Nicepage takes it a step further. You can design your site visually and then export it directly as a WordPress theme, a Joomla template, or a clean HTML, whichever one you prefer. You design it only once and you can put it wherever you want. Second is the unmatched design control without the need to learn designing. Now, what I'm trying to say here is that it's beginner friendly. Anyone can start using it immediately without a special training or lesson on it. Nicepage uses a true hand-free drag and drop editor. If you can use PowerPoint or Canva, then you can easily use Nicepage. But unlike basic builders, it generates incredibly clean code in the background. Your page loads very fast, which is an absolute necessity if you are running paid ads. I said it earlier on in this video, so take notes. Also, if you are focusing on SEO to rank your content, don't worry, I'm already making another video to show you step by step how to use Nicepage to build your own website, your landing page, your funnels, your blog posts, any type of website that you want to build. I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you don't miss that video. Whether you're designing a SaaS landing page, a blog, or a high converting affiliate offer, Nicepage gives you agency level design without forcing you to write a single line of code. If you want to stop fighting with boring templates and start building pages that actually convert, then you definitely need to try Nicepage. I've dropped a link in the description of this video where you can download the Nicepage builder and test it out for yourself. Now tell me, which of these page builders are you currently using to run your business? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so you don't miss out on any of my videos, like the next video I'm going to drop on how to use Nicepage step by step. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel and tell your friends about this video by sharing this video to your friends. So keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.